Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Ubisoft activation code on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, load up Steam on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Steam is open, go ahead and navigate to your library. From here, find the game for which you need the Ubisoft activation code. I'll just demonstrate this using a random game. Click on the game to open its page in your library. After selecting the game, look for the gear icon on the game page and click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Manage. Here, you should see an option called CD Key. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see the activation code displayed on your screen. Simply copy this key. Now, open Ubisoft Connect on your PC and sign in to your Ubisoft account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile name in the top left corner of Ubisoft Connect and select Key Activation from the menu. Paste the activation code that you copied from Steam into the required field and then click on Activate. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Ubisoft activation code on Steam. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.